respiration and internal respiration. During external respiration at the arterial ends, deoxygenated blood enters the capillaries of lungs. Oxygen from trachea enters alveoli and exchange of gases occurs at the wall of alveoli by diffusion. Oxygen is given to pulmonary arterial capillaries to oxygenate the blood, and these continue as venules. The venules gradually join to form pulmonary veins. Exchange of gases takes place in internal respiration by diffusion between blood in capillaries and body cells. Blood reaching the tissues has higher concentration of oxygen and lower concentration of carbon dioxide than tissues. Because of this difference in concentration, gaseous exchange occurs. Oxygen diffuses from bloodstream through capillary wall into tissues. Carbon dioxide diffuses from cells into bloodstream in capillaries. Venous blood returns to heart. The oxygenated blood travels through the left chambers, that is, left auricle and left ventricle. Deoxygenated blood enters right atrium, passes to right ventricle, and then via pulmonary trunk and two pulmonary arteries, the blood enters the capillaries in the interalveolar spaces of the lungs. An exchange of gases occurs in lungs. Oxygen of inspired air is given to deoxygenated blood and the blood gets oxygenated. It then travels via pulmonary venules to pulmonary veins. 2 veins from each lung, total 4, drain into left atrium. During internal respiration or tissue respiration, the oxygen from arterial blood enters the tissues via capillaries. Tissues give back carbon dioxide into venous ends of capillaries, which join to form venules, veins, venae cavae, and end into right atrium. The carbon dioxide is exhaled out through nose. Respiration is controlled by respiratory center in medulla oblongata and phrenic nerve arising from spinal cord. The intercostal nerves supply intercostal muscles which keep the integrity of thoracic wall. The glossopharyngeal nerve with vagus nerve supply carotid body, the peripheral chemoreceptor. The pneumotaxic center and apneustic center in the pons also